I'm going to show you in this video how to make $100 a day using Instagram with one trick. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can get paid two ways. You'll get paid when people click on the link you share with others, and you'll get paid when people buy from the link. So no matter what, you make money. And what's even better about this method is that you can do this even if you have no experience. You can do this even if you have no tech skills, even if you don't even have a computer, or if you're not even 18 years old. And even better is you can do this no matter what country you're from. This is a free method to make money, and it's very easy. I'm going to show you in just a few minutes on my computer right here how you can get this done and start earning money two different ways. Okay, so check this out. This method is a very simple method. You can do this worldwide. It's free. You don't have to spend any money on advertising to make $100 a day with Instagram. Very easy. And I'm going to show you how you make money two different ways: when people click and when people buy. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, if you're new to this channel and you are excited about ways to make money, make sure to subscribe, because I put out videos every single day about different ways that you can make money working from your computer. There's a revolution going on. And if you want to have me as your mentor, you can join my money club, which is right next to the subscription button. But let's go into this real quick because I want to get you the goods and get you started making money. Okay, so the first site we're going to visit is a site called clickbank.com. Not QuickBank, not clickbait, but clickbank.com. You see right here, clickbank.com, and links should be in the description for this. Now, what you'll do is you will click the create account button, and you will go through the steps to create an account so you can get your links. Because what we're doing is called affiliate marketing. So you're going to get a link and you're going to promote it. So here we are, and then after you sign up, you're going to click the affiliate marketplace right here, okay? So we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace, and we are going to look for products. So what you can do is you click this search button, this magnifying lens right there, and it will bring up a bunch of products which you can sell. Okay, so now what I just did was I sorted the product by average sale is over $100, okay? And what you'll see is the number one product, which will make you over $100 from a single sale, is actually my training program. You know, I'm a super affiliate marketer. I've been doing this for a while. This is my online educational program called the Super Affiliate System, and it's the number one product on ClickBank right here. But what you want to do is you want to click promote. Okay. Now, so what you'll want to do next is after you click promote, your affiliate nickname should show up if you're logged in right there, and you'll go down here to where it says generate hop links. Okay. And we'll generate a hop link right like that, and it will give us a link. Okay. So we get a link right here. You can highlight it and right-click copy, or you can click this button that you see right here, and it will copy the link for you. Now, the next step is we want to go over to a link shortener. But before I show you the link shortener, one thing you want to understand is that ClickBank, there are a lot of products you can promote. And one of the exciting things, you can even find products that will pay you a recurring commission. So let's say you make $100 a day by promoting my product. Now, what's even better is if you promote a product with recurring commissions, then you'll get paid $100 a day, and you'll add recurring monthly revenue, just your life. So you can find products on ClickBank that offer you recurring commissions so that people buy the product. You can also make money, not just when they buy, but from the monthly subscription if they buy the monthly subscription as well. Now, I've done this so that I have an income of over $100,000 of recurring revenue at this point in my career. And so even if I stop advertising, if everything went to the birds and all my websites got hacked, I would still be making $100,000 every single month. And the way you would do that is you would go down and you would look over here in this area called attributes, okay? And you would sort you would make sure you come down here where it says required billing types, and you would check this box which says recurring. And you'll see you get recurring commissions from the super affiliate system. On average, you'll earn an additional $264 in recurring commissions if you get people signing up for the super affiliate system. So really great income opportunity for you, and finding recurring revenue products is a way to just add that consistency and stability to your online business. Now, the next site we're gonna go to is a site called AdFly. So you see it right here. It's got a little bee, it's buzzing, and it's AdFly. You can check the links for the description. It's like adf.ly, but you can check the description and there will be a link to sign up for AdFly. And AdFly is completely free. Now, what you'll do is you'll wanna paste your URL, this long, ugly URL that you got from ClickBank, into here, okay? So you paste it right in here, and then you'll click this button that says shrink, okay? And that'll give you a prettier looking link, boom, right here, which you can use in your Instagram promotional methods. So we're gonna copy this link because it's shorter and it just looks better, okay? So I'm just pasting this link into a notepad so I can find it later on when I need it. Okay, so now the next step is you're gonna go to Instagram, and you're gonna go on your smartphone to your Instagram app and just make sure you're on it. Or if you're on desktop computer, you can actually do a search for Instagram Desktop Messenger. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna be sending people direct messages, or what's called DMs, or group messages, which I'll explain to you about in a little bit. But you're gonna go on your Instagram app on your phone. Now, we're gonna be doing two different methods of sending out messages, or it's really the same thing. We can send direct messages to people, and you can send up to 25 messages per hour, or you can send 150 messages a day, okay? So in essence, if you're doing this consistently, you can get your links out to 150 people per day. And the response and open engagement rates of Instagram direct messages are through the roof. So it's a really great place, really unsaturated place to market. And this is just a really easy thing to make work. Now, if you're excited about making this work and you see that this is something very simple, type in Instagram money in the comments right now, because we're gonna move forward. But if you're committed and if you're excited, if you're seeing how easy this is, type in Insta Money in the comments, because we're gonna have a lot of fun here. And just wait until I show you the way you can make double money with just if they click or if they buy. Now, you can also send group messages, and you can add up to 32 people per group, okay? So 32 people per group. And this is a way you can actually expand your presence. So you can send 32 messages times 150 messages a day. So that's something like 4,500 messages per day that you can actually send out. So you can get your links out to a lot of people, and that's pretty exciting. Now, you don't just want to send people a message with your link, okay? If you just send somebody a message like that, people are gonna say, why the heck does somebody send me a link? There's no context. So you want to give people some context of what message to send, and you want to use something that's proven, a proven message template in this niche. So here are some proven message templates I receive every single day. Now, if we go over here, you can see these are messages I receive every single day promoting similar online training products to what you're promoting. It's called the business opportunity space. And you'll see here are proven messages. So I could say, hi, John, here's a link you asked about. This has been a blessing for me and my family. So you would say something along the lines of this. So you'd say, John, here is the link you asked about, and I would take my link and I would post it right here. Let's make this smaller so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. So this would be an example of our message right there. And we would send that out to 150 or 4,500 people per day. And I'm gonna show you in a second how you get paid for a click and you get paid for a sale. Or you could take another one of these message templates and say, John, this has been a blessing, use it for yourself. So we put this and we put this message right there. John, this is a blessing, is all yours, enjoy it and use it for whatever. Here's another message template, okay? Alert for, whatever the, Andrew or whatever the name is. There's an opening in your area, and we're going to take our link and we're going to put it there. Okay, so we have some messages that we can send out to people, but let me show you how you get paid. So the first way you get paid is from AdFly. AdFly will pay you every time somebody clicks your link. So let's go to our link and let me show you. So you see this link from AdFly right here, okay? Now you can see it says your site here, 10,000 visitors, $5. So you're getting paid something like a penny every time somebody clicks your ad. So you get money no matter what, just by if people click your ad. And then when people move on and skip your ad, you will get paid as well, okay? And then when people move past your ad, you get paid again if people watch the training and purchase my training program. So no matter what, if people click on your ad, you get paid. If people go through my product training and want to learn from me, it's a great program and it's helped many people quit their jobs and create their own internet incomes, you get paid again, and you will get paid from ClickBank this time. Right here, you get paid $469.07 from every single sale you make. So if you're even making one sale per week, you're getting $100 a day, okay? How easy was that? It was simple, it's fast, and you get paid 2 ways with minutes of work. It's literally that simple to start making money online. Now, there is a lot of ways that you can grow this technique, such as you can create more Instagram subscribers so you can get more people. You can follow, unfollow people. You can even advertise your links. There's many ways you can go above and beyond this, but tens of thousands of people have used similar methods to make their first dollars online, and you can too. And if you are excited, if you are stoked, if you're gonna put this into action, make a dedication to yourself and type in InstaMoney to put this into action and start making money online today. Now, if you want to go deeper with me and you want to have me as your mentor and take some of my training programs that I've made available for you and also get the chance to talk to me live on a live stream I'm going to do twice a month, then make sure you sign up for Money Club, okay? The Money Club, you just click join and you can sign up. It's like $50 a month to join my Money Club so you can get access to me. I make about $1 million a month. I'm not joking you. Look at my channel uploads. You'll see I detail out my income, but I make about $1 million a month doing affiliate marketing. And in my Money Club, you'll get access to me, to talk to me, because your network is your net worth. You surround yourself with more successful people than yourself, you will start earning mad money too. And I have over 40 hours of additional programming for you in the Money Club that you can learn from, that you can understand and take yourself to the next level. So if you like this video, hit a big fat like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell if you want to be aware of future videos. And I look forward to seeing you in the Money Club or on my Super Affiliate System training program, or just commenting on my channel. But make sure you type in InstaMoney, because let's put this to action. Again, let's get that $100 a day. Let's get you free of your job and working for yourself.